We back at it, and today we are gonna go ahead and tackle the electric. So we got all the supplies here. What we're gonna do is go ahead and run this wire up, and I'm just gonna run all the wire down in the straight line first, and then I'm gonna go by one and put the boxes in and tie those wires in, and the same thing with over here. So let's get straight to it. Let's try to knock this out in a day. So we're done doing this one side. See, we got the lights running down. Right now, these just temporary lights. So we gonna hit on this switch and see what is gonna happen. So I wired this side to the light switch already. Didn't start this side yet, but I got this wire right here to get started doing that. Run that over there and then go. But I don't have it tied up there in the box, so I don't know if you can see those wires. Don't got it tied up, so just this side over here. So let's hit this switch. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Got some lights. So now I'm about to get to doing this other side. I'm probably gonna be here a little late. That's why I had to run and go get these light bulbs so I can add some light in here, because there's no lights in here at all. But this little broke exit sign. So yeah, let me get to jumping on this other side so I get up out of here. Alrighty, we got some lights. I was nice and bright, not dark in here. Show y'all what it look like without the lights. Pitch black.
Now baby, that's my type of way. That's my type of way. Making money while I'm asleep, now that's my type of pay.
All right, so we finally got lights in here. It's about 10 o'clock right now. I actually got a late start because somebody showed up late, but this is pretty much what I got done. So I pretty much started at like 2 o'clock. And right now it's 10 and I got all the lights up there. I didn't have 2 light fixtures, like 2 temporary light fixtures, so I didn't put those in, and then it's still like some repairs that gotta be made back here from the roof, so I didn't put a light back there, but I got the wire coiled up top. But yeah, everything is looking good. Tomorrow I just gotta install the exit signs, pull these old wires down, and moving on to the next task, which will be probably building that ceiling in this bathroom and make sure that electric is good. So, yep.
Woo, okay, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like, and always know if you want more art life, go to ARTTlife.com.